Hi unique family, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this chocolate, milky and red velvet puff puff together. Welcome back guys. I'll be mixing my puff puff mix in this container. I'll be taking 8 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg and 1/8 cup of yeast. Make sure you are using an airtight container. So like I said, we'll be doing chocolate, red velvet and milky puff puff. So I have to mix everything here to make it easy for me. So I've put all the ingredients. I'll be covering the container very tight, then shake it. Mix it very well so that everything will combine well before I start making my puff puff. So I've shake everything. I'll be taking out 3 cups from the puff puff mix to do the milky puff puff. You can see guys, by making your puff puff mix, make it easy for you to work with. You don't need to be putting nutmeg here, yeast here. You've mixed everything. It's just for you to measure it out. That is 1/8 cup of powdered milk. Then I'll be using 2 cups of water, warm water. If you are making your puff puff, please don't add the water at once. Add it bit by bit because some flour doesn't absorb water like that, while some do. So when you know your flour well, you know how to add your water. Add it bit by bit. But here I use 2 cups of water. And this trick I learned it from Temilayot and Mom channel. So I'll be adding hot water, then put the puff puff on top of it to proof. Before I used to use my gas or my microwave, but now this trick works like magic. So I'll be taking 2 cups of puff puff mix to do the red velvet on. I'm using excellent food coloring. That is 1/8 teaspoon. You see how I'm adding the water bit by bit. These 2 cups, some flour can take 1.5 cup, but this my flour, I use 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of warm water. So the next mixture will be the chocolate puff puff. I'll be using 2 cups also. Then 1/8 cup of pure cocoa powder. I'll add in 1/8 cup of powdered milk. And I'll add in my water, same as the same water I use in the red velvet. One cup and 1 tablespoon. Then I'll allow them to proof before frying. And here the milky and the red velvet one is well proof. and I've heated my oil already. I'll be frying. I'll be using the finger cutting method to do this. I prefer this because this can give me equal size. When I'm doing for my customer, I prefer to use this finger cutting because it will give me the equal size. But when I use my thumb, the one that come in between the big thumb, I don't usually get equal size. They come out well, but not the way this finger on is perfect for me. And I'm faster using this method than that one. You see how everything is equal. So the red velvet one and the chocolate one, I'm going to be using that other method. You see what I'm talking about soon. So this is the red velvet one. It's fine also, but I don't usually get the same size. And please, when your oil is hot, make sure you put your flame on the medium heat. And this is the chocolate. If you have watched to this extent and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Share this video, like and comment down below. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. I really appreciate your support. And to our new subscriber, you guys are highly welcome to the unique family. Guys, this puff puff is so delicious. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you so much. I appreciate. See you all in my next one. And guys, remain blessed. Thank you. Bye.